Okay, so let's talk about how most of us actually use AI. It usually involves a browser, right? You are chatting with an AI, you ask it a question, you get an answer, you copy it, and then you paste it somewhere else. It works, but it's kind of slow and clunky. Today we are gonna look at a way more powerful method: putting an AI agent right inside your entire project. I mean, think about your workflow. You've probably got one tab open for writing copy, maybe another one for doing some research, and then you have your code editor open in a whole different window. You spend half your day just bouncing between all these things, and every single time you switch, the AI has no idea what you were just doing. It doesn't know what's in your project folder. It has no clue what your brand voice is, and it definitely doesn't remember what you built yesterday. Every conversation starts from zero. It's exhausting. And when you lay it out like this, the difference is just wow. On the left, you've got the old way, all these separate fragmented tools, that constant tab switching and that dreaded copy and paste workflow, where you are starting from scratch every time. But on the right, that's the anti-gravity way. It's a single, unified workspace. The AI has the full context of your project. It remembers everything. And this part is absolutely crucial. It edits your files directly. So what if the AI could just live inside your project, see everything you are seeing, remember the whole history, and actually do stuff based on that knowledge? Well, that's exactly what anti-gravity is all about. Let's get into it. So, what is anti-gravity? First off, it's not just another chatbot. It's an agentic development platform. Now, that sounds fancy, but what it really means is it's an AI agent layer that's built right into the core of your work environment. It's actually built on the same open source foundation as VS Code, so the editor feels really familiar, but it has this powerful AI brain that can read your project files, understand your folder structure, and act on your instructions. I love this analogy because it just clicks. Using a chatbot in a browser, that's like texting a smart friend for some advice. But using anti-gravity, that's like having that friend sitting right there at the desk next to you, looking at your screen with full access to the project, actually helping you do the work. It's a total paradigm shift. Okay, enough theory. Let's actually get our hands dirty, set this thing up, and build our very first AI project. This is where it gets really fun. And you know what? The setup is surprisingly easy. First thing, you are gonna head over to antigravity.google and just download the desktop app. Simple. Once you've got it installed, open it up and either create a brand new project folder or open one you already have. Now, this is really important because anti-gravity works on a project-by-project basis. And here's the most crucial step. Do not skip this. Inside that project folder, you have to create this exact folder path, a folder named .agent. And then inside of that, another folder named skills. This is where all the magic happens. It's where you'll tell your AI agents what they can do. All right, we are all set up. So let's build something you can actually use right away. We are going to create our very first agent, a custom AI copywriter that gets your specific brand voice and can help you write things like marketing emails. Building an agent is basically a simple three-step recipe. First, we define its skill. So inside that .agent/skills folder, we just made go ahead and create a folder called copywriter, and inside that make a file named skill.md. Second, you got to give it some examples to learn from. Just find a few of your best written emails and drop them right into the main project folder. Anti-gravity will scan them to pick up on your style. And finally, step 3. You just talk to it. You give it a command in plain English. So what do you actually put in that skill.md file? Something just like this. The best way to think about it is like a job description for your AI. You are giving it a role. You are a direct response copywriter. You are giving it a set of rules like short paragraphs and always include a clear CTA. And you are giving it a specific tone: confident, practical, no fluff. This is how you train your agent to get consistent, high-quality results. And here's how you put that new agent to work. You just type a command in natural language, just like this one. See how it works. You specify the task, write a launch email. You define the audience, small business owners. And critically, you tell it which skill to use. Anti-gravity then reads your command. It references those example emails you gave it before, and it writes a draft that actually sounds like it came from you. And here it is. This is the part that makes this a total game changer. When you ask for a change, if you say, say, hey, can you make that shorter? Or add a PS with a deadline. It doesn't just spit out new text in the chat window for you to copy. It edits the actual file right there in your project. The work is happening inside your workspace. This one little thing completely eliminates that whole copy and paste cycle. It's a huge deal. Okay, so once you master that basic pattern of defining a skill and giving a command, you can start to unlock some seriously powerful stuff. Let's just take a quick peek at what's possible once you get comfortable. And this is where things get really wild. You are not just limited to one-off commands anymore. You can start chaining tasks together. Imagine telling an agent to research a topic and then use that research to draft a blog post all in one go. It can write and run its own code to automate things and even debug it if it fails. You can build an entire system of agents, like having a researcher agent hand off its findings to a writer agent. You can even swap out the AI models on the fly. Use Gemini for one task, Claude for another. You can have agents that can literally take control of a web browser to go scrape data or fill out forms for you. I mean, this is where it goes from just a helper to a full-blown automated workforce. So there you have it. That's your first look at Antigravity. It's not a chatbot. It's not another browser tab. It's a full development environment with an AI agent living at its core, supercharging your actual workspace, seeing everything you see and doing the real work. The only question left is, what are you going to have as your first agent built?